In this video, you'll learn how to log into Udemy without using an OTP or one-time password. This guide will help you navigate the login process smoothly and efficiently, ensuring you can access your courses without any additional verification steps. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the Udemy website. Once the page loads, locate the login button, typically found at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on this button to proceed to the login form. On the login form, you will see fields to enter your credentials. Type your registered email address into the first field. Then move to the next field and enter your password. Ensure that both entries are correct, as any errors will prevent you from logging in successfully. If your account does not have two-factor authentication enabled, you can log in directly without needing an OTP. This means you will be able to access your account simply by using your email and password combination. It is important to remember that if two-factor authentication is activated on your account, you will need an OTP to complete the login process. After entering your credentials, click the login button at the bottom of the login form. Once you click this button, the system will process your information. If your login is successful, you will be redirected to your learning dashboard. In your learning dashboard, you will find easy access to your courses, account settings, and any updates related to your learning journey. Ensure that you familiarize yourself with this interface, as it will be your primary hub for managing your Udemy experience. If you encounter any issues during login, verify your email and password and check if two-factor authentication is enabled on your account. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.